Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com, as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. It is a big weather update today. A lot of weather over the next 24 to 36 hours. Today will be another kind of windy, breezy, and warm and humid day, and we're still watching that cold front that's going to come in tonight and tomorrow morning. High likelihood that some areas will see some severe weather tomorrow morning, so I'll get to that in just a moment. Can't rule out just a spotty shower today, so I have thrown a 20% chance of rain in the forecast, but I do think in all likelihood most of us will be staying dry through tomorrow morning or so. So there's a look at satellite radar together. We have a lot of clouds that have built in overnight, so it is going to be kind of an overcast start to the day, and the clouds will be more persistent today. We did see quite a bit of sun come out yesterday, but I think mostly cloudy to overcast for much of the day, and because of the clouds building in tonight, those blanketed us, so we're only in the 60s this morning, so you may be able to skip the jacket today, as it's pretty mild out there to start the day. And there's that wind, which is coming through about 10 miles per hour. The wind will be pretty relentless today. We actually have a lake wind or a wind advisory that goes into effect at 7 p.m. tonight through 7 a.m. tomorrow. This afternoon, we'll have some wind gusts, maybe up to 30 miles per hour, but between that 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. window, especially tonight, we will have some west and southwest wind gusts, maybe up to 40 miles per hour or so. So definitely breezy, and that's all that wind energy coming in ahead of our next storm system here. Again, south breeze will keep us pretty warm today despite that lack of sunshine. We'll wind up in the low 80s, which is pretty close to where we were yesterday, and you can see our storm system back in the western U.S. here. It will be kind of sliding into Texas today, so there will be a line of thunderstorms that pops up in Texas tonight and then moves towards the Arklatex after midnight. So the severe weather risk here will really be between about 4 and 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Some of the storms that come in here could bring some damaging wind gusts, especially up into Red River and McCurtain counties. And then once we get past sunrise, so basically from 7 a.m. and on tomorrow, you can see a number of risk categories here, but most of the Arklatex in that slight risk area, which means scattered severe weather gets possible. And then late tomorrow morning, these storms will really get going once they're east of Shreveport. So again, from Columbia County down through Red River, Natchitoches parishes, Bienville and Claiborne parish as well. This is where we'll have higher likelihood of some damaging wind gusts and maybe a few tornadoes, and that window would likely be from about 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. tomorrow, and then you'll see as the storms get west of the east of the Arklatex, pretty significant severe weather expected across Mississippi and even into portions of Alabama as well. They'll be looking at some damaging winds and maybe some strong tornadoes in that moderate risk area, which is close to us, but not exactly over the Arklatex at the moment. So the quicker we can get the storms through, the better. And this line will be moving pretty quickly. So what we're looking at today is that 20% chance of a pop-up shower here across the I-30 corridor. Really don't think we'll see much rain today, and you'll see the line of storms approaching tonight. Now, Futurecast shows the storms coming in maybe between 4 and 6 a.m. in the morning, and then this line will continue to move to the east. So 8 a.m. arrival in Texarkana, as well as Jefferson and Marshall, Shreveport. Looking at that 9 to 10 a.m. window where we could see the storms. And then notice once I play Futurecast here, you can really see these storms get going in that enhanced risk area. So again, through the early afternoon hours tomorrow, maybe 1 or 2 p.m., we will have that threat of severe weather, and then we can close the book on any severe weather after about 2 p.m. tomorrow. We should dry out pretty quickly through the afternoon hours and have some comfortable weather taking over Thursday and Friday. As far as the rain totals here, you can see they have gone up from yesterday, about half an inch to an inch of rain. Anytime you get thunderstorms, you can easily pick up an inch or two of rain, but the bottom line is these will be moving quick enough that we will not see the flooding issues that we had with the storms last week. We get an inch or two of rain. That's not going to be a big deal for us. And look at your 7-day forecast. Great weather, low humidity Thursday, Friday. We will start out the weekend, quick shot of maybe some showers and storms Saturday morning, but Saturday afternoon we look to be dry. We'll be dry all day Sunday, so some great weather to wrap up the weekend. Looks like Monday will be dry, but possibly some more showers and storms by next Tuesday.